Hello everybody, welcome to TrueTuber Tech. In this video, I will show you how to stop the autoplay of Facebook videos in the newsfeed. So to start with, open the Facebook app and go to this option. And at the bottom of the page, you can find out Settings and Privacy. Click on that and click on Settings. At the bottom of these settings, you can find Media and Contacts. Click on that and you can find here autoplay. You see the choose when videos autoplay. It is the current settings is on mobile data and Wi-Fi connection. If you want to never autoplay videos, then click on this. The changes has been saved. Now the videos will not be autoplayed in the Facebook newsfeed. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Also subscribe my channel for more. Thank you.